at the forefront of smart access control for vehicles and pedestrians. QiGong Group's strategy is anchored in 4 pillars: substantial capital investment, robust manufacturing capacity, scaled operational footprint, and vertically integrated supply chains. Writing industry legends with innovation as our pen and quality as our ink. QiGong Group has assembled an elite R&D team of over 100 seasoned experts. QiGong Group has built a massive R&D matrix encompassing IoT AI algorithms and big data technologies. A robust technology portfolio comprising 252 patents and 15 software copyrights. Achieving millisecond-level license plate recognition speed, crowd flow control with ultra-low 0.1% error rate. From smart access control systems to integrated smart campus, military base and scenic spot ticketing solutions, every innovation precisely targets industry pain points. In a modern industrial and production base spanning over 15,000 square meters, QiGong Group guarantees exceptional quality through stringent, large-scale production standards. The lab simulates extreme environments, salt spray, vibration, torrential rain, to stress test product durability. The gate needs to pass 10,000 opening and closing tests. The software must withstand million-level concurrent user loads. Every chip, every line of code must pass through a rigorous gauntlet of over a dozen precision inspection checkpoints. At QiGong Group's Foshan manufacturing base, multiple automated production lines operate at high efficiency 24 hours, with industry-leading large-scale production capabilities. From raw material feeding and precision stamping to intelligent welding and surface treatment, the entire process is monitored in real time by the MES system, maintaining plus or minus 0.1 mm tolerance standards across all manufacturing processes. Over 1,000 units roll off the production lines daily. Our industrial-scale manufacturing capabilities guarantee stable market supply while making Chinese craftsmanship felt globally with every QiGong product delivered. In QiGong Group's production ecosystem, the integrated advantages of R&D, manufacturing, and sales are fully demonstrated. In the assembly workshop, our team of master craftsmen with 20 years of experience perfectly blends artisanal techniques with intelligent production. Calibration, 0.1 second delay. The control gate is opened and closed with 0.5 accuracy, conducting 1,000 cycle contact endurance tests on ticket machine touchpoints. For customized equipment, from functional adaptation to exterior refinement, we provide true personalized solutions through integrated end-to-end services. QiGong Group has established an integrated end-to-end traceability system covering R&D, production, quality inspection, and delivery, with 360-degree omnidirectional monitoring. Perform triple checks on performance, appearance, and functionality. Each device has an exclusive ID card, from raw material procurement to finished product delivery, supported by a nationwide network of 500 service centers and 24 hours after sales, achieving a truly seamless closed-loop system from production to service, ensuring products maintain their factory-fresh condition throughout the entire journey from workshop to customers' hands. A completely worry-free experience. The tireless dedication of QiGong's 300 master craftsmen shines, their excellence forged through countless days and nights. QiGong Group leads with scaled manufacturing excellence and empowers through integrated end-to-end solutions. Moving ahead, we will collaborate with worldwide allies to architect a smart ecosystem for the future.